born as the inhabitants of the earth. Our living environment becomes one of the most important parts of life. To live, we pursue security, joys and warmth. Pursue beautiful things, the faith we hold on to. Second by second, and we create the environment and experience. Influences human lives and connections. Empowers us from inner world. In changing the connection is the key to change the world.